Hello and welcome. This is the Teach Me Forex Swing It Position, a weekly wrap-up session for May 2nd, 2009. Yes, it's May. We're getting closer to summer, so welcome traders of the world. Let us swing back to last week a little bit and take a look at our results. Only 79 pips in the black last week, 8.5% return on investment. Still not so bad. And this week didn't even get better. Unfortunately, 41 positive pips, 7.8% return on investment. But there's one trade still open on the Canadian right now, and it's up about 80 pips. So we may triple these results by the time next week rings around. So check us back next week. Anyways, what does this mean as far as your money's concerned? Well, we'll answer that question in a sec, but let us first introduce our three hypothetical traders, Peter Pipper, Susie Loveloss, and Bubba Big Shots. They've been through the graduate program. They attend the Swing and Position team trade rooms. They have different levels of experience, and they each opened 2 accounts to start the year. One compounder account, one reward account. Peter funded both with $500 in each. Susie, she put $2,000 in each, and then we got Mr. Big Shot Bubba here that funded them with 10 grand in each of them. So there we go. So here's our week in the recap. 20 calls were made. There was 11 winners, 9 losers. Many of these 11 winners were very small wins. Many, as a matter of fact, over half of them were only 1 pip wins. So that's why our total pips is low. It's only 41 pips return on investment. If that's all traded in one account, 7.8%, just under 8%. Good job anyways. And here are the particulars of our trades. The currency, the entry, the stop loss that we use, where we took our profits, the results, and the compounding effect. And you can see the Canadian there is still rolling a 1944. So there we go, 41 pips in total, 7.8%. And the big kahuna this week, well, it's not that big. It's a Euro 15-minute chart. We made 80 pips on that one trade, and thank God, otherwise we might have been in the red. So there we go. Now you're asking, did our traders take all of these trades? Indeed they did, because in order for these probabilities to play themselves out and be reflected in your account, we must take all these potential setups offered to us. And there's only 20 of them, so that's not too bad. And we're just trying to reach our goals. And the goals for our 2 accounts is basically, once we've compounded that account number 1 by 10%, we're going to close it and give it a rest until next week, and we'll take the rest of our trade in our reward account number 2. Well, this week we didn't even get to account number 2. We barely got to account number 1, I guess, there. So for 2 weeks in a row we didn't touch account number 2 there. So it's been given a break, a little bit of breather. So let's go see how everyone fared. So in the compound account, Peter Pipper, that started with $500, and there's now at just under 2,900, so almost 6 times more since the beginning of the year. So he's happy nonetheless. And account number 2, well, the reward account didn't move, still around just below 2,300. A total profit for Peter this week, $209. And then we got Susie. Well, Susie, she's got over $11,575. Oh, well, $11,575, sorry, in the compound account. And for a second week in a row, the reward account does not move. Just $3 short of $10,000 there for increasing it 5-fold. And we got Bubba here. Well, Bubba is in the compound accounts at over $57,000, well, almost $58,000 when you look at it. The reward account over $45,000. Hey, Bubba's really happy this year. He took 20 grand and made it over 100 grand now, so he's happy there. His profit this week, $4,187. That's what Bubba cleared. So good job. Again, that was in 20 trades. 11 of those were winners, 9 of them were losers. Only 41 pips, but nonetheless, the return on investment 7.8%. Tell them, give me a system that'll increase your account by 7.8% by taking 41 pips. Mechanical on top of that. All right. questions now. Are we expected, coach, to take every single one of these trades that we call to the exact pip? And in this case, the answer is yes. And that's because the money management rules that we use in the swing and position phase are fully mechanical. We're talking everything covered. Entry, stop loss, profit taking, everything mechanical from A to Z. So that creates the exact same trade, trades results, the same results in the end, no matter who's managing the trade. So that's why you're expected to do that. And that's true. Give a man a fish, he eats for a day, and teach him how to fish, he will eat for a lifetime. Which one would you rather be? And we're applying this proverb right to Forex. So let us be your Forex fishing guides and let us pip together. And it starts right here, folks. www.teachmeforex.com. Find out who we are, what we do, how we do it, and how you can join us in one of our exciting team trade room right next week and help us fulfill our vision. Please let us create the largest team of successful online currency traders in the world, one trader at a time. Will you be next? And finally, from the whole team at Teach Me Forex, have yourself a beautiful weekend.